The American dream is fading. The economy is not working for the little guy. Big corporations and Wall Street fat cats are getting richer. Meanwhile, everyday Americans are struggling to make ends meet. Inflation is soaring, gas prices are through the roof, and wages are stagnant. It's a rigged system designed to keep the wealthy elite on top. But there's hope. Savvy investors can still thrive in this volatile environment. It's all about making smart decisions and taking calculated risks. You need to be ahead of the curve, anticipating trends before they happen. That's what I'm here to help you do. Forget everything you thought you knew about investing. The old rules don't apply anymore. This is a new era, and it demands a new approach. Are you ready to fight back against the rigged system? Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Then let's dive in.
The traditional financial system is crumbling before our eyes. Central banks are printing money like it's going out of style. The US dollar is losing its status as the world's reserve currency. Governments are drowning in debt. It's a recipe for disaster. That's where Bitcoin comes in. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency, free from government control and manipulation. It's a safe haven asset for these turbulent times. When the stock market crashes, Bitcoin will be there to catch you. Some people are scared of Bitcoin. They don't understand it. They call it a bubble. But I'm telling you, Bitcoin is the future of money. It's time to open your eyes and see the potential. Don't be left behind. Get on board the Bitcoin train before it leaves the station.
The stock market is a wild ride. It's not for the faint of heart. One day you're up, the next day you're down. It's enough to make your head spin. But that's what makes it so exciting. To succeed in the stock market, you need nerves of steel. You can't panic when the market dips. You need to stay calm and stick to your strategy. Remember, volatility is your friend. The key is to buy low and sell high. Easier said than done, right? That's where research and analysis come in. You need to identify undervalued stocks with strong growth potential. Don't be afraid to take risks, but be smart about it. Do your homework and invest in companies you believe in. The market is a roller coaster, but if you're strapped in tight, you can enjoy the ride.
Don't just take my word for it. Listen to what the experts are saying. Billionaire investor Warren Buffett recently said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." Wise words from the Oracle of Omaha. Another legendary investor, Ray Dalio, has warned about the dangers of excessive debt. He believes we're headed for a paradigm shift in the global economy. These are serious warnings from some of the smartest minds in finance. But it's not all doom and gloom. Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Invest, is bullish on disruptive technologies like artificial intelligence and genomics. She believes these sectors will drive massive growth in the coming years. The takeaway? Listen to different perspectives, do your research, and form your own opinions.
Section 5. The future is now. My bold prediction for 2024. The year 2024 will be a pivotal year for the global economy. We're on the cusp of a major transformation. The old order is crumbling, and a new world is emerging. It's an exciting time to be an investor. Here's my bold prediction. The S&P 500 will hit 6,000 by the end of 2024. That's right, a 20% increase from current levels. I know, it sounds crazy. But hear me out. Inflation will start to cool off. The Federal Reserve will pivot away from its hawkish stance, and corporate earnings will continue to grow. It's a perfect storm for a market rally. Of course, there will be bumps along the way, but the long-term trend is clear. The market is headed higher. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity.
Section 6. Global Unrest and Your Portfolio. Connecting the dots. The world is a volatile place. Wars, famines, political upheaval. It seems like there's always something going on, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed by it all. But here's the thing. These events have a direct impact on your portfolio. Take the war in Ukraine, for example. This tragic conflict has sent shockwaves through the global economy. Energy prices have soared, supply chains have been disrupted, and inflation has accelerated. Or consider the growing tensions between the United States and China. A trade war between these two economic superpowers could have devastating consequences for the global economy. The point is, you can't ignore what's happening in the world. You need to stay informed and adjust your investment strategy accordingly.
Section 7. Are you riding the wave or drowning in debt? Here's a hard-hitting question. Are you in control of your finances, or are your finances controlling you? Many Americans are drowning in debt. Credit card debt, student loan debt, auto loan debt. It's a vicious cycle that can be difficult to break free from. But it doesn't have to be this way. You can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. It starts with a budget. Track your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back. And start paying down your debt systematically. Next, start investing. Even if you can only spare a small amount each month, it will add up over time. Remember the power of compound interest. The sooner you start investing, the better. Don't let debt drag you down. Take control of your finances and ride the wave of financial freedom.
Section 8. Beyond Bitcoin, unveiling the next big thing. Everyone's talking about Bitcoin, but savvy investors are already looking beyond the hype to the next big thing. And I'm here to tell you, the future is in decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. DeFi is a revolutionary new financial system built on the blockchain. It cuts out the middlemen, banks, brokers, and other financial institutions, and puts the power back in the hands of the people. With DeFi, you can borrow, lend, and trade cryptocurrencies without ever going through a traditional financial institution. It's fast, efficient, and secure, and it has the potential to disrupt the entire financial industry. Don't get left behind. Start exploring the world of DeFi today and position yourself for massive gains in the years to come.
Section 9. The surprising link between AI and real estate. At first glance, artificial intelligence and real estate might seem like unrelated industries, but there's a powerful synergy between these two sectors that's only beginning to be realized. AI is already transforming the way we buy, sell, and manage real estate. AI-powered platforms can analyze massive amounts of data to identify undervalued properties, predict market trends, and even automate property management tasks. Imagine a world where you can buy or sell a property with the click of a button, where AI algorithms negotiate the best possible price for you. That's the future of real estate, and it's closer than you think. Investors who understand the power of this convergence are poised to reap significant rewards.
Section 10. Technical analysis, your secret weapon. Fundamental analysis is important, but it's only half the story. To truly master the market, you need to understand technical analysis. Technical analysis is the study of past price movements to predict future price action. By analyzing charts, patterns, and indicators, you can identify trends, support and resistance levels, and other key signals that can give you an edge in the market. Think of it like this. Fundamental analysis tells you what a company is worth. Technical analysis tells you what the market thinks it's worth. And in the short term, the market is always right. Don't be intimidated by technical analysis. There are plenty of resources available to help you learn the basics. And once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever invested without it.
Section 11. Take control of your financial future. The future is uncertain. The economy is unpredictable. But one thing is for sure. Your financial destiny is in your hands. Don't wait for someone else to tell you what to do with your money. Don't be content with mediocre returns. Take control of your financial future and start building the life of your dreams. Educate yourself, take risks, embrace the volatility, and never stop learning. The world of investing is constantly evolving, but with the right knowledge and mindset, you can navigate the markets with confidence and achieve financial freedom. The time for action is now. What are you waiting for?